While countries such as the United Kingdom are planning to lift the lockdown regulations after a vigorous and ongoing vaccination program, South Africa is yet to start a large-scale public rollout. This is expected to get underway next week. The Coronavirus Rapid Mobile Survey, or NIDS-CRAM, is a sample of the South African public and the impact of the pandemic at large. It was conducted by more than 30 researchers from 6 universities. The latest findings show that most adults will take a vaccine if it is available, but some are still hesitant.
Predominantly concerns related to side effects of the vaccine, the effectiveness of the vaccine, general opposition against vaccines, or being afraid of the vaccine because of safety concerns. Specifically, about 31% say they are so because they're worried about side effects, about 20% say because we do not believe it is effective, and about 18% are generally against vaccines.
The survey shows that young people between the ages of 18 and 25 and those who trust social media as an information source were more likely to be vaccine hesitant.
We ought to consider taking advantage of the trust in social media exhibited amongst those who are vaccine hesitant and use this notable finding to counter any sense of vaccine disinformation. This can prove to be quite a cost-effective way to convey accurate information and update it as the pandemic progresses. And we can incorporate it into other communication channels to maximize the coverage and intensity of the messages.
Experts recommend that government embark on, among others, a massive media coverage to make people feel like they are part of something bigger than themselves.
The best salespeople are those people who've bought the product. So we've got to ensure that people get a good experience when they go and get vaccinated. And it starts with the information. It starts with the pre-vaccination information, the experience of registration, how we minimize and respect people's time, how we provide information and support to them afterwards. We've got to recognize that a third of people are not going to have access to cell phones, and that means that we need really interactive call centers, we need walk-in registrations and support. That type of sales service is going to be absolutely critical.
Harrison says government needs to be transparent and accountable, urging that it must be open and honest about the challenges and progress of the rollout. Mariska Botha, SABC News, Cape Town.